Imagine trading crypto, forex, and stocks without handing over your keys or dealing with endless signups. Gains Network changes the game with decentralized leverage trading that puts you in control and lets you earn real yield. In this guide, we'll break down how to use it step by step so you can start trading smarter, boost your returns, and navigate DeFi like a pro. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Now let's get into it. Gains Network is a decentralized platform for leverage trading, meaning you can amplify your positions on assets like Bitcoin or gold using borrowed funds, all without a central authority. Built on blockchains like Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, ApeChain, and Solana, it runs on smart contracts, self-executing code that handles trades automatically. No middlemen means you keep control of your wallet, trading directly from it. This setup avoids the risks of centralized exchanges, where hacks or freezes can wipe out funds. Plus, it's permissionless. Connect your wallet and start immediately, no KYC paperwork. The platform shines with guaranteed execution on major pairs like Bitcoin and Ethereum, ensuring your orders go through without slippage surprises. One-click trading skips multiple confirmations, making it fast and mobile-friendly. Prices aggregate from top exchanges for accuracy, and high-leverage options let you maximize potential, up to 200x on some assets. Real-time fulfillment means no delays, perfect for volatile markets. Self-custody keeps your assets secure, and the open-source code, audited for safety, builds trust. Jump into the trade section. Select pairs from over 290 options, including crypto, forex, and commodities. Set collateral in stablecoins like USDC, choose leverage, and place long or short positions. The chart shows live data with indicators to inform decisions. It's intuitive. Even if you're new to DeFi, explain terms like spread. The buy-sell difference makes sense. Practice on test networks first. Beyond trading, stake GNS tokens for rewards from platform fees, creating passive income. Vaults let you lend assets like DAI, USDC, or Ethereum, earning yield from real trading activity, not inflation. This ecosystem ties everything. Trade to generate fees, stake to share profits, vault to lend securely. Gains integrates with leaders like Chainlink for reliable data, Maker for stables, and Pendle for advanced yields. This strengthens the platform and connects you to a thriving DeFi world. Gains Network empowers you to trade freely, earn steadily, and contribute to a fairer system. If this helped, punch the like button and subscribe for more. Comment your first trade idea below. Check my previous video on GNS token and the DeFi tools playlist. Links on screen now. Thanks for watching. Let's build better together.